Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Talk Show. I'm Linda, and I'm really happy to have you with us today. As always, I'm here with my co-host, Alex, who's ready to share another natural English conversation with you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. Thank you so much for joining us today. We truly appreciate you spending your time here to practice English and enjoy these everyday topics with us.
Before we begin, if you're enjoying our podcast, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and reach more English learners around the world.
And today's topic is a very special one.
Yes, today we're talking about Christmas, a season full of warm moments, kind feelings, and time spent with people we care about. It's a time when the world feels a little slower and a little brighter.
That's right. Christmas always brings a special atmosphere.
So, speaking of Christmas, Alex, how are you feeling today? Alex, how are you today?
I'm feeling really good, Linda. There's something about this time of year that changes my mood. The weather is getting colder, the days are shorter, and everywhere I go, I hear Christmas music. Even simple things like lights on the street or decorations in shop windows make me feel calmer and happier. It's like the world slows down just a little.
I know exactly what you mean. Just yesterday, I walked past a small cafe, and they were playing a classic Christmas song. I didn't even plan to stop, but the music made me smile, and then I smelled fresh cookies and cinnamon in the air. It instantly made me think of Christmas at home.
That sounds lovely. I also noticed people starting to wear Christmas sweaters already. Some of them are really funny. Bright colors, big snowflakes, even little bells. I saw a guy wearing a sweater with a huge reindeer on it. It made my day.
I love Christmas sweaters. I actually wore mine last week. It might be a little early, but who cares? And have you noticed how stores decorate so early now? Christmas trees, lights, and ornaments everywhere, even before December starts.
Yes, and once the decorations are up, it really feels like Christmas is coming. Even if you're busy or stressed, those small things, music, lights, warm clothes, can change how you feel.
Exactly. Christmas always brings special feelings, and that's what we'll talk about today. Before we move into our main conversation, let's talk a little about today's topic, Christmas. Christmas is a special holiday for many people around the world. It's a time for family, love, and togetherness. For some, it's about traditions and celebrations. For others, it's simply a time to rest, relax, and enjoy warm moments with the people they care about.
That's right, Linda. And learning how to talk about Christmas in English is very useful. Holidays are a common topic in daily conversations. When you can talk about festivals, traditions, and feelings, your English sounds more natural and personal.
In this episode, you'll learn useful Christmas vocabulary, how to talk about your holiday plans, how to share memories from past Christmases, and how to express warm and positive feelings.
You'll also hear simple, real-life conversations that you can use with friends, coworkers, or family members.
So now, let's start by sharing what Christmas means to us. Alex, let me ask you something. What does Christmas usually mean to you?
For me, Linda, Christmas is mainly a holiday. A holiday is a special day when we don't work and can rest or spend time with people we love. During Christmas, I try to slow down, take a break from my normal routine, and enjoy simple moments. It's also a time to celebrate. To celebrate means to enjoy something special, with food, music, or time together. Even if I don't have big plans, I still like to celebrate in small ways, like having a nice meal or watching a favorite movie. And of course, Christmas is about tradition. A tradition is something people do every year. In my family, we always have dinner together, talk about our year, and share stories. Those traditions make Christmas feel warm and familiar, no matter how busy life gets.
I really like how you described that, Alex. For me, Christmas also means slowing down. I usually feel very busy during the year, but at Christmas, I give myself permission to rest. I enjoy quiet moments, warm drinks, and just being at home. Christmas also reminds me to be thankful. I like sending messages to friends and family, telling them I'm thinking about them. It doesn't have to be expensive gifts. Sometimes kind words are enough.
That's beautiful, Linda. Christmas doesn't have to be loud or busy to be meaningful.
Exactly. And now that we've talked about what Christmas means to us, let's look at some real Christmas situations people experience every year. Alex, let me start with a simple question. Do you decorate your house for Christmas?
Yes, I do, but I keep it pretty simple. I usually have a small Christmas tree in my living room. It's not very big, but it makes the space feel warm and festive. I like to decorate it with a few ornaments and some lights. To decorate means to make a place look nicer or more festive.
That sounds lovely. What kind of lights do you use?
I prefer warm white lights. They're not too bright and they create a calm feeling in the evening. Sometimes I turn off the main lights and just sit there with the Christmas lights on. It's very relaxing after a long day.
I love that feeling too. Even a small decoration can change the mood of a room. So, Alex, what do you usually do on Christmas Day?
Most years, I stay at home and spend family time. Family time means being together with family members, talking, eating, and enjoying each other's company. We don't rush anywhere. We wake up late, have breakfast together, and just relax. Sometimes we watch movies, sometimes we take a short walk. We always have a special meal in the evening. It's nothing fancy, but it feels special because everyone is there.
That sounds very peaceful. For me, Christmas Day is also about slowing down. I usually start the day with a warm drink and some quiet time. Later, I visit my family or invite them over. We cook together, share stories, and laugh a lot. I really enjoy those moments because we don't often have time like that during the year.
Yes, Christmas gives us permission to pause.
Now I'm curious, do you like giving or receiving gifts more?
I actually enjoy giving gifts more. A gift or present is something you give to show love or care. I like choosing simple but meaningful presents. It doesn't have to be expensive. Sometimes a book, a scarf, or even a handwritten card feels more special. I also love seeing people's reactions when they open a gift. That little surprise moment is priceless.
I agree. One of my favorite Christmas memories is receiving a very simple present from a close friend, just a small notebook. But inside, she wrote a message on the first page about our friendship. I still have it. That gift meant more to me than anything expensive.
That's beautiful. It shows that gifts are really about feeling seen and understood.
That brings me to my last question. Do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
Yes, I do. One of my favorite memories is from my childhood. I remember waking up very early on Christmas morning and seeing the living room full of lights. My family was still asleep and everything was quiet. I sat there by the tree and just enjoyed that peaceful moment. It felt warm and safe, a real warm moment that I still remember clearly.
That's such a lovely image. Christmas memories like that stay with us for a long time.
They really do. And I think that's why Christmas feels so special. It's full of moments that stay in our hearts.
Exactly. And now that we've shared these real Christmas situations, let's explore the topic a little deeper. You know, Alex, one reason Christmas feels so special is because it brings a lot of positive emotions. People slow down, think about others, and focus more on connection than on work or daily stress. The whole atmosphere feels softer and kinder.
I agree. During Christmas, I often feel more grateful. To be grateful means to feel thankful for what you have, your family, your health, and even small things. Christmas reminds me to appreciate those things instead of always wanting more.
That's so true. For me, Christmas also feels very peaceful. Even if life is busy, there are moments when everything feels calm. Sitting by the lights, listening to soft music, or drinking something warm. Those quiet moments help me relax and feel balanced again.
And I think Christmas is very meaningful because it brings people together. Meaningful means something has real value or importance. Spending time with loved ones, sharing meals, or just talking without rushing makes those moments special.
That's why I like writing Christmas notes or messages. I don't write long letters, just simple messages to friends or family, telling them I'm thinking of them and wishing them well. It helps me express my feelings, and it makes others feel cared for.
I love that idea. For me, the best part of Christmas is togetherness. Togetherness means being close to others and feeling connected. Even doing simple things together, cooking, watching a movie, or taking a walk, feels different during Christmas. It feels warmer.
And all of this is great practice for English learners. You can say things like, Christmas makes me feel grateful. I love the peaceful feeling of Christmas. Spending time together is meaningful to me. These are simple sentences, but they express deep feelings.
Exactly. Christmas gives us many chances to talk about emotions in a natural way.
So now that we've talked about feelings and meaning, let's practice a real Christmas conversation. Hey, Alex, it's nice to see you. Christmas is coming soon. What are you doing for Christmas?
Hi, Linda. Yes, it's almost here. This year, I'm planning to keep things simple. I'm spending Christmas at home and enjoying a quiet holiday. What about you?
That sounds really nice. Are you spending it with family?
Yes, I am. My parents are coming over and we'll have dinner together. We're not planning anything big, just good food and time together. I really want to enjoy those moments.
That sounds lovely. I'm also spending Christmas with my family. We're exchanging small gifts and cooking together. I always enjoy those simple traditions.
I agree. Christmas doesn't have to be busy to be special. Being with family is the best part for me.
Same here. I think Christmas is a great time to slow down and appreciate the people around us.
Absolutely. Even a quiet Christmas can feel warm and meaningful.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, Alex.
Thank you, Linda. I hope you enjoy your Christmas too.
And for everyone listening, this is how you can talk about Christmas in real life. Now let's slow down a bit and look at the key vocabulary from today's episode. These words will help you talk about Christmas and other holidays in simple, natural English. We'll explain each word, give examples, and help you practice using them.
Let's start with our first word, Christmas. Christmas is a holiday celebrated on December 25th. For many people, it's a time for family, gifts, and warm moments together.
For example, I love Christmas because I can spend time with my family. Christmas always makes me feel happy and calm. Now, please repeat after us. Christmas.
Our next word is holiday. A holiday is a special day when people don't work and can rest or celebrate.
For examples, Christmas is my favorite holiday. I'm taking a short holiday at the end of the year. Repeat with us. Holiday.
The next word is celebrate. To celebrate means to do something special to show happiness, like having a meal, giving gifts, or spending time together.
Examples: we celebrate Christmas with a family dinner. How do you celebrate Christmas in your country? Repeat, celebrate.
Now let's talk about gift or present. A gift or present is something you give to someone to show love or care.
Examples: I bought a small gift for my sister. The best present is spending time together. Repeat after us. Gift, present.
Our next word is tradition. A tradition is something people do every year, especially during holidays.
Examples: decorating the Christmas tree is our family tradition. We have a tradition of watching movies on Christmas Eve. Repeat, tradition.
Now we have family time. Family time means spending time together with your family, talking, eating, relaxing.
Examples: Christmas is all about family time. I really enjoy quiet family time during the holidays. Repeat, family time.
And our final word is peaceful. Peaceful means calm, quiet, and relaxing.
Examples: Christmas morning feels peaceful. I love the peaceful feeling of sitting by the lights. Repeat, peaceful.
Great job! Today you learned 7 useful words. Christmas, holiday, celebrate, gift/present, tradition, family time, and peaceful.
You can use these words in real conversations. For example, Christmas is a peaceful holiday for me. I celebrate Christmas with my family. Family time is the best gift.
The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
Exactly. Now let's move on to a short practice to use these words together. All right, everyone, now it's time to practice together. This part is all about speaking out loud and feeling comfortable using the Christmas vocabulary we just learned. Let's start with a few model sentences. Please listen and repeat after us.
Here's the first sentence. Christmas is my favorite holiday because it feels peaceful. Take a moment and repeat that sentence out loud.
Great. Here's another one. I celebrate Christmas with my family and enjoy our time together. Go ahead and say it again slowly.
And one more. Spending family time during Christmas is very meaningful to me. Nice work. Speaking clearly is more important than speaking fast.
Now let's try a simple sentence where you think of the missing word. Listen carefully. Christmas is a special ... for many people. Take a second to think.
The correct word is holiday.
Here's another one. We have a family ... of eating dinner together on Christmas Eve. What word fits best?
The answer is tradition.
Excellent. Now let's move to a personal question. What do you like most about Christmas? Pause the video if you want and try to answer out loud in English.
If you need some ideas, here are a few sample answers. I like Christmas because I can relax and enjoy family time. I love the peaceful feeling and the warm atmosphere. My favorite part of Christmas is giving gifts to people I care about.
Wonderful job. Remember, every sentence you say out loud helps you become more confident in English.
Exactly. Now let's finish today's episode with a short summary.
All right, everyone, let's take a moment to review what we talked about in today's episode. The main goal of this podcast was to help you talk about Christmas in simple, natural English, how you feel about it, what you do, and why it's special to you.
Yes, and throughout the episode, Linda and I shared our own Christmas experiences. We talked about decorating our homes, spending quiet time with family, enjoying special meals, giving meaningful gifts, and remembering warm moments from our childhoods. These small stories show that Christmas doesn't have to be big or expensive to be meaningful.
We also learned 7 useful vocabulary words that can help you talk about Christmas and other holidays. Christmas, holiday, celebrate, gift or present, tradition, family time, peaceful.
Using these words, you can describe your plans, share your memories, and express your feelings more clearly. Christmas is not only about events or gifts, it's about emotions, connection, and being together.
Exactly. Christmas gives us a chance to slow down, feel grateful, and enjoy moments with the people we care about. These are feelings you can talk about in English with just a few simple words.
You did great today. Every time you listen, speak, and practice, you're building confidence.
Now, let's end with our question of the day. And now it's time for our question of the day. What do you enjoy most about Christmas? Is it spending time with your family, enjoying a peaceful holiday, giving gifts, decorating your home, or simply relaxing and taking a break?
We'd really love to hear your answer. Please leave a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Even a short sentence is perfect practice for your English, and reading other people's comments can be fun and inspiring too.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. We hope it helped you feel more confident talking about Christmas and sharing your feelings in English.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to see you again next time on the Easy English Talk Show. Take care and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye!